Hello everyone, I'm Yogesh. Welcome back. So, as you know, we are in the schedules of demonstration of our products, the products related to the payments, decentralized payment, and how our products will be useful for the merchant. So, we have already completed couple of weeks, like we have already given the POS demo. The last week was, we given the checkout process demo, how checkout works, how it can be utilized by the users, and the how it can be utilized for by the merchants. What are the supported chains we have? All of this is covered, and you can visit our Twitter and Discord for the YouTube links. The video links are posted there, so you can uh, check this out if you haven't go through yet. So today we are basically going to go through the merchant walkthrough. So this week we have schedules, we'll give you each and everything about the merchant, what we have developed and what is our goal with that, and how we gonna support our merchants with our product. So without further ado, I'm gonna walk you through our dashboard, merchant dashboard. So this is the dashboard, which shows the total records, total users, and total amount of the transaction have been done for that particular this e-refresh merchant. And they can also view the performance report in the chart basis, like how it's going how it's going down and up in the sales. This is the grid view on the dashboard for the merchants. They can see like what's the product type and the order type. If order is coming from the link payment or it is coming from the POS. You can see POS or checkout, whatever the order type will be, it will be displayed over here. So this is the summary of complete merchant dashboard for the merchants. Okay, so the second thing we here is like orders. This is the better view for the merchant. They can check each and every order coming from their customers, from their users, or from their partners here. It will be formatted as I mentioned in the order types like pay links, POS, or e-commerce, or debt fee, or whatever the or whatever or wherever this pocket pay solution have been integrated with the merchant portals. So it is defined from the type. User will be able I mean sorry Merchant will be able to view this. It's placed using SUI, time, order ID, amount paid in SUI, conversion rate at the time of paying this particular order, transaction ID, sender address, receiver address. So this is how it's managed. So this order was placed using the blast. So these are the products we have added, and this order type was pay link, so it was created using the checkout link. And in checkout link we have added a few products. So these are the products with that particular checkout links, and this is the order type and the summary of order, and it's placed using the blast L2. So this is how its work. Like again, this is blast L2. So I mean merchant will be able to view each and everything from here. The other types, they can manage everything uh, from this portal, so it will be easier for them to manage reports about what they are getting and how they are getting, how the order is being placed from the user end. Receiver address, transaction ID, sender address, amount. Okay, so this is the order view for the merchant. Let's go through the POS as I have already shown you the specific demo for it uh, in the week first. So this is again, you can say that like we are recapping it over here. So this is the products for the POS. Right now is just thought products for the demo purpose. So merchant will be able to add multiple products. They will be able to categorize these products into multiple categories as well, and those categories will be displayed in the front end sections for the agents. POS will be basically for the retail agents, will be handling merchant, retail shop or retail e-commerce or any retail small shops to big merchants, like so they'll be able to manage these products via the agent settings in the retail shops, and they can make bills to the customer uh, with these products. So this is the links, checkout payment. We have gone through this checkout in broader way in the last week video, last week demonstration. So if you haven't go through it, I would recommend you to go through our Twitter or Discord link. We have posted the video link over there in the post. You'll get better idea there. Okay. So the checkout payments is like it's it can be, it can be used in the multiple ways. Like we can create checkout links over here. We can create checkout links and assign it to the assign it for the customers or users. Merchant will be able to share these links. They'll be able to share these links to users directly. They can add products to these links as well. They'll be able to add products to these links. They can define they can even define create links without the products, and define the price over here for that particular link. So then they can send directly to user, and they'll be able to check out and pay using the PocketPay checkout system. And we have mentioned status of the links, like if it is pending, completed, or a few of the links getting expired without getting paid. So it will be marked as expired because these links have time limits. So this is how it is working. Okay. For POS, I forget to mention, like for POS we only support two chains, Solana and Sui. This is because we have mobile wallets for Solana and Sui, and we have deployed our protocol, our SDK inside our wallet to manage these payments. So that's why the POS payments limited to the Sui and Solana. We are also working on something else as well, like EVM chains, mobile wallet, but that will be on the later stage. So we can say like there will be more chain will be supportive to POS, but later on. Okay, so we'll go through this. This is the main step for any of the merchants who do not want to utilize the POS system or e-commerce system we are developing. Instead of that, if they want to integrate uh, our payment system or payment gateway directly to their DeFi, Web3 store, or any of the e-commerce store, or or any of their product selling or any of the service selling website, they can utilize these keys. So and after utilizing these keys, they will be able to integrate our pocket pay payment system into their portal, and they will be able to make their user purchase goods, services, sales, credits, whatever they sell via our payment gateway. So that part is already completed from our end, and I'll be presenting video for video demonstration for the the use cases we have developed later on, because we'll have to go through some codings as well. So this is the best things we have. So it's like we have developed complete infrastructure for the merchant, but we have also provided developers or the third party web 2 merchants or web 3 merchants ability to integrate this pocket pay payment system into their stores or their portals, wherever they want to accept the decentralized payment. So this is where it comes in. Okay, so this is the settings. In settings they will be able to set general settings, email id and notification email id, and we can also set QR expiry time, so that will be visible on the if you're making payment on the checkout using the QR code scan, then the QR code will be will expire in the 100 seconds. As of now we have set this, but it can be updated by the merchants later on, because it's the editable. So POS settings is like that. POS merchant setting, they can create their own dedicated URL, and they can assign this URL to their merchant can assign this URL to their agents. So then agents will be able to make bills to their customer using this POS links, and that POS links will be loaded with the products we'll be adding over here. So each merchant have their own dedicated dashboard, each merchant have their own dedicated POS URLs. Okay, so this is how the checkout setting will work. Merchant will be able to assign or customize their own checkout with the name, business name, description, support email, and the images if they want to customize it. And that's the POS terminal. We are still in the development for POS terminal, so it will be launched later on. We'll create a separate demo for it. Okay, so that's the main thing we support. I mean, on the testnet we have many of the chain integrated with it, including the L1s and L2. Okay, and we just not only support the main chain, but we also support the ecosystem coin as well. So we have, it's like we have integrated Solana, but we just not going to limit with the Solana USDC or stables coin, but we'll also work on the Sol, which is native coin of Solana, and on the third layer we'll also support uh, the ecosystem coin of Solana. Okay, so this is how it works. So right now we mainly deployed on the Solana, its ecosystem coin. Okay, and then we support Sui as well, the Blast, and Polygon. So this is the backend view of the merchant dashboard, where we can manage everything related to their daily operations. I'll walk you through the front end of that particular merchant. So this is the POS, and it is categorized with these two categories. That is what we have manage in the admin section of that merchant dashboard. These are the products we have added over there, and let's go through it. We added this product, checkout. Okay, so we will select blast here. Okay, so we just made the payment using blast and it's completed. So this is how the checkout system works for the merchant dashboard, and this is going to be, this checkout system which I show you is going to be general and basic for each and every merchant or each and every applications. If merchant is using our own infrastructure, this infrastructure, or else if they are integrating our platform using these keys to their own infrastructure. So in this interface, this checkout interface will be always same for them. So this is how it's going to work out for merchant. Okay, so these two orders we place right now from the checkout here. So let's see, one order we placed using the BNB and another order we placed using the blast. So we'll see over here. The last order we placed using the BNB chain. So you can see BNB chain over here and all the transaction ID, and you will be able to see here products details. The other one we placed using the blast, so you'll be able to see blast over here. So this is how the the dashboard of merchant works from the PocketPay end. So that's it for now. If you have any questions or queries, you can directly ask us on the Twitter, Telegram, or Discord. We'll be happy to answer that. And in next week, we'll be bringing you with use case. Like we have developed a use case for especially for this integration part, and this will be basically for a DeFi store, a Web3 store where uh, user will be able to add credit using making payments on the merchant website. So that will be demonstrated in the next week. So stay tuned, and thank you so much.